Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. So I'm going to give you a little walkthrough about parts and variations, that how you can use them and what should be the proper way to using them. So first you have to make sure that you are using our parts and you are not using WooCommerce products. If you have disabled parts, then this video is not for you. Alright, so how you will manage it? First you will go to parts from here. Alright, after going to parts, you should make sure that you are adding part types. Part types are important because they will help you to separate different types of parts from each other. So let's say this is processor or whatever. Then see, this is the volume buttons. All right, and part types, like if you are managing a car repairing workshop, there you can add bumpers, headlights, hoods, whatever you want. But here I have added part types like buttons, in button, volume buttons, and these are variations of volume buttons. See, this is the volume button OEM part, its manufacturing code, text to apply, and other stuff, and its price. Then we can disable this part for volume button OEM for computers or phones, or we can change the price by device type. We can do that by manufacturers. All right, and we can do that by device also. All right, so if you have made change to types, that will apply, but if you have made change by manufacturers, that will override types and device have priority. So if it's enabled in device, that will work. But, like for this device A3, the 50 price will apply. All right, the Samsung price will not apply, which is here, and its disability will also not work. All right, so this is one variation. Here's the other variation, and as you can see, the volume button Chinese, and same you can define their prices by devices, whatever you want. All right, then volume button local, and now I will tell you how you can add a variation. Just click add another part variation. Once it's loaded, now give it name volume button Taiwan, and I will give its price 44. Right, and capacity, I will ignore this message. Now I will update values for all devices, so this 44 can apply to all types, all manufacturers, and all devices. After that, the page will refresh. So let's wait. Okay, page is refreshed. Now you can see part Taiwan. I will say that for device Galaxy A3 it should be disabled, and for Galaxy Fold its price should be 64. So we can test it. Okay, see, it's going. Alright, let's go to a job now. Let's create a new job. Okay, so we have to Galaxy Fold one. See, once you add a device, the part selector will change here from default to select part for Galaxy Fold. That means if this device is 64, where is that, volume button Taiwan, you can see all variations of volume buttons are loading under buttons. All right, OEM Taiwan, whatever is available. So volume button Taiwan should price is 64. It worked. Okay, now volume button Taiwan is disabled for Galaxy A3. So let's add another device, A3, this one. Now you will see the parts area will update with two selections, that because we have two devices. So when we are going to add devices for parts for Galaxy A3, we will see that volume button Taiwan does not exist here because we have disabled it for this part or this device. All right, so let's add something else for it. Now if I delete a device here, you will see its option also have gone. All right, so this is how you can use the parts and variations, and I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.